discuss about the variables, expressions, and the data type. Now today we will discuss about some more about Python, and similarly we are opening Jupyter and then we are selecting new and Python. Now it will create your file, and today what we are going to learn about the flow, control, and iteration. Iterations. Now we are saying that what is flow control? This is the basic way to write commands in Jupyter. Flow control is basically flow control and iteration. Flow control, iteration. Flow controls means the sequence program will execute, like what the conditions program will how program will check the conditions, and according to conditions it will execute in sequence. So flow control is the basically sequence in which the program will execute. For example, flow control include the condition statements. Condition statements are if, else, as if. These are basically the condition statements. Like we are saying that if this happened, then do this. If the value of x is this, then print this. This is basically, for example, we are saying that x equals to 10. We are giving it a value x equals to 10. X is pointing towards 10, where x is variable. Now we are saying that if x equals to 10, 9, let's say 9, you have to place semicolon here, then you can say that it should print 9. Then 9, and now we are saying that else what it have to do. If the x is not equals to 9, else it should print nothing. So what it basically have given us output, like x, we had given it a condition that x equals to 10, and then we are saying that if x is this, then do this. Like x equals to 9, then print 9. But if the condition and the variable value assigned, which we had assigned, is not equal to go on else statement. So basically x was 10, but the if statement say that if x equals to 9, then print 9, but x value was assigned to 10, so it will go on else statement. So it is the basically sequence. The program is being checked in sequence wise, then it will print the output. The program will check the conditions from above to the end. Like if we have x equals to 10 and x equals to 10, then it will not go further. It will not move further, but if the first condition and the value assigned to x is not equal, then it will go on the second condition. It will check the second condition. Now we are saying that we can use more than one condition, like if, else, if, else, if, else. So for else if, we are saying that as if we have to write the statement with else if. This is the basic difference from other languages that Python have. We can write that if x equals to 10, if x equals to 9, then print 9. We have to place here semicolon, don't forget to colon, don't forget to place it here. Then we are saying that if x equals to 9, print this. Now we are saying that else if, so we have to write else if x equals to, let's say 10, we are saying, then print 10. Then we are saying that else print nothing. So it will print out 10 because x in elif the value which we had assigned x equals to 10 matches the original value of x, so it will print 10. We can use more than one elif in the condition if we want to give a program more than one condition to execute. Next we are talking about the iteration statements. Iteration is basically the loops. There are basically, we can use while loop or for loop. There are both, we can use iterative statements. Iterative statements include the while loop and for loop. It also includes do while loop. Next we are talking about what is the while loop. What is basically while loop? So we are saying that while loop will repeatedly execute a block of code for a specific condition till the condition is true. It will execute the specific code till the condition is not going to be false. When we are saying that we don't know how many iterations you need, in advance we have no idea. In advance we have no idea about how many iterations the loop will execute. We don't have any idea about iterations we need. So basically, when we don't have any idea about the iterations we need, and we are giving a specific condition, then the while loop will execute. Let's say, for example, let's discuss one example. We are saying that x equals to 1. X equals to 1, and we are saying that while x is less than equals to 5, colon, print x, and print x and then add the x, like we are saying that x plus equals to 1. So see, we are saying that if x equals to 1, like x is equals to 1, we can give any condition. X is equals to 1, then while you have to check the condition x is less than equals to 5, like till 5 we will go, then print x, then add 1 in the x value, like first it will print 1, then 2, then 3, like in that flow it will go. Now whenever we run it, what it's going to be, see what happened in the program, like x was equals to 1, then we had given it a condition that if x is less than equal to 5 till the condition is true, like when x was 1 the condition was also true that x is less than equals to 5, then it will print x, then it will x plus 1, like it will go to 2, then x is equals to, now it will not go to x equals to 1, it will be after printing x1, then it will first add like x plus 1 equals to 2, then when we have the 2, then it will not go here, it will go x is less than equals to 5, like 2 is less than equals to 5, and it will print 2, then it will add till 3, till 4, and till 5. Why it has printed 5? Because we have said that x is less than equals to 5. If the condition was changed that x is less than 5, so it will not print the 5. Next we are talking about for loop. Basically, for loop is used to iterate over a sequence. For loop is used to over a sequence. And it will execute